Have you ever wondered if there's a real biological reason why your skin doesn't feel as firm as it used to? Or why your joints ache more than they should? For so many of my patients, women over 60, this is a daily frustration. They eat well, they stay active, but the truth is they're still struggling with sagging skin and painful joints. It's like they're doing all the right things, but not getting the results they deserve. But what if I told you that for many, there's a missing piece to the puzzle? A key that your body needs to truly start rebuilding from the inside out. After looking through countless studies and patient results, I've seen a specific, targeted collagen protocol work wonders. It's not magic, but it's the closest thing to a game changer I've seen. And today, I'm going to share that exact protocol with you. Section 1. The problem: why so many collagen strategies fail. Before we get to the solution, we have to understand the problem. It's looking in the mirror and seeing gravity taking its toll. It's that stiffness you feel when you get out of a chair. The reason behind this is the natural decline of collagen, the protein that acts like glue holding your skin, bones, and joints together. After age 60, our production of this vital protein slows way down. It's not your fault that what you've tried hasn't worked. You've been given the wrong information. Let's look at the most common mistakes I see. First, there are the collagen creams. It sounds logical, right? Put collagen on your skin to get more collagen in it. But here's the surprising truth. The collagen molecule is too big to get to the deep layers of your skin where it's needed most. These creams can be great moisturizers, but they won't fix the underlying structure. The second mistake is taking the wrong type of oral collagen. You see so many options: bovine, marine, types 1, 2, 3. It's confusing. Many people grab the first one they see, not realizing that different types do different jobs. It's like using a car key to try and open your front door. It just won't work. And the third mistake is dosage and consistency. Many supplements have only a tiny amount of collagen, not enough to make a real difference. Or people take it for a few days and then forget for a week. The truth is, rebuilding your body's collagen is a long-term project. It requires the right amount every single day to see real change. You're building a house, and you can't just lay one brick a week. But there's one mistake even I didn't expect until I saw the research, and it might be the reason nothing else has worked. I'll show you that in just a moment. Section 2. The missing piece: finding the right collagen for you. Now let's move on to the solution. The core of this protocol is simple. Give your body the right type of collagen in the right amount with the right helpers. Let's break down the types. Think of type 1 and type 3 collagen as the skin and bone collagen. This is what gives your skin its firmness and structure. If your main goal is to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, you need to focus on boosting type 1 and type 3. Then there's type 2 collagen. This is the joint and cartilage specialist. It's the main protein in the cushion between your bones. If your biggest complaint is joint stiffness and pain, then type 2 collagen is the hero you're looking for. So the first step is to ask yourself, what is my main goal? Is it skin or is it joints? For many women over 60, it's both, and we'll get to that. Now, what form should you look for? The gold standard is hydrolyzed collagen, also called collagen peptides. This means the collagen has been broken down into smaller pieces that your body can easily absorb and use. Studies show these are the most effective for skin and bone health. For joints, there's another important player: undenatured type 2 collagen, or UC2. This kind works differently. It's not about providing building blocks. It actually helps calm your immune system to prevent it from attacking the collagen in your joints, which is a major cause of pain and inflammation in conditions like osteoarthritis. Just to be safe, always choose a brand that is third-party tested. This is your guarantee that you're getting a pure product without harmful contaminant.
Section 3. The doctor's exact collagen protocol. All right. This is where we put it all together. Here is the exact step-by-step protocol I share with my patients. Step 1. Choose your supplement and the right dose. For skin, hair, and bone health, you'll want hydrolyzed collagen peptides, types I and III. Research shows that a dose of 5 to 10 grams per day is the sweet spot for improving skin hydration and elasticity. For bone health, one key study on postmenopausal women found that just 5 grams daily for a year significantly increased bone density. If you also want to support your muscles, a dose of 15 grams daily is even better. Quick question, have you ever actually looked at the type of collagen in your supplement? Let me know in the comments. For joint pain, here you want to focus on undenatured type 2 collagen, UC2. The dose is much smaller, just 40 milligrams per day. A major study showed that people taking 40 mg of UC2 every day had significantly less pain and better joint function after 6 months. So what do you do if you have both concerns? You can find a combination product that has both 10 grams of hydrolyzed peptides and 40 mg of UC2. Or you can take them separately. The key is getting the right dose of the right type. Step 2. The daily ritual. Consistency is key. This next step is non-negotiable. You have to take it every single day. The easiest way to do this is to tie it to a habit you already have. The unflavored powder is perfect for this. You can stir it into your morning coffee, tea, smoothie, or even a bowl of oatmeal. You won't taste it, and the temperature doesn't damage it. For the small UC2 capsule, just take it with your other vitamins in the morning. And now, a word on patience. This isn't an overnight miracle. You're asking your body to rebuild tissue. Most studies show it takes 8 to 24 weeks to see noticeable changes in your skin and 3 to 6 months for joint pain. Be patient with your body. Trust the process. If you're finding this protocol helpful and are feeling a new sense of hope, I would be so grateful if you would take a moment to tap that like button. It helps tell YouTube that this is valuable information and helps us reach more women who need to hear it. And to join our Nitro Wellness family and not miss future videos, please click subscribe and ring that notification bell. Step 3. The collagen boosters. Foods to magnify your results. Taking the supplement is step 1. But you can get even better results by eating foods that help your body use it. Vitamin C. Your body absolutely cannot make collagen without vitamin C. You don't need huge supplements, just a diet rich in things like berries, oranges, bell peppers, and broccoli. Zinc and copper are also critical. You can find them in nuts, seeds, beans, and lean meats. Protein. Remember, collagen itself is a protein. Make sure you're getting enough high-quality protein from sources like fish, chicken, and eggs to give your body all the building blocks it needs. Hydration. It sounds simple, but you can't have plump skin if you're dehydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Step 4. The collagen killers, what you must avoid. Just as important as what you add is what you take away. You can't build a new house in the middle of a hurricane. The #1 enemy? The sun. UV radiation from the sun breaks down collagen faster than anything else. A broad-spectrum sunscreen of SPF 30 or higher every single day is non-negotiable. The sweet poison, sugar. A diet high in sugar leads to a process called glycation, which makes your collagen stiff and brittle. Cutting back on processed foods and sugary drinks is one of the best things you can do for your skin. Smoking and excessive alcohol. These habits create massive damage in the body and accelerate the breakdown of collagen.
Section 4. Safety first. Is this right for you? My first priority is always your health and safety. The good news is that collagen supplements are very safe for most people. However, just to be safe, you should always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have known allergies to fish or eggs, if you have chronic kidney disease, or if you are taking specific medications. This is about being an empowered, informed partner in your own health journey.
So let's do a quick recap. You now have a powerful blueprint to help your body rebuild and feel stronger. First, you're going to choose your goal. 5 to 10 grams of hydrolyzed collagen for skin and bones, or 40 milligrams of UC22 for joints. Second, you'll commit to consistency by making it a daily ritual. Third, you'll be patient, knowing that good things take time. And finally, you'll support your body with collagen-boosting foods while avoiding the collagen killers. This isn't about looking 30 again. It's about looking in the mirror and seeing the vibrant, strong woman you are. It's about moving through your day with freedom and joy instead of pain. You now have the knowledge to make this change. I truly want to build a community here, and I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried collagen? What was your experience like? Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. You never know who you might help. And if you want to keep learning, be sure to watch my video on the top 5 anti-inflammatory foods for joint health, which is the perfect next step. Thank you so much for your time. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next video.